To fix if audio message transcription not working on your iPhone after iOS 17 update. And to fix this, so first check audio message transcription is enabled or not. Go to settings, accessibility, and tap on subtitles and captioning. And first enable show audio transcriptions. Show audio transcriptions for announcements from homepage. Next workaround is go to settings, general tab, and here make and ensure that English should be preferred language. Set English as iPhone preferred language. The next workaround to fix this issue is if audio transcription not working, then next workaround is close the message app, open on your system, open, and once fully closed it, and try to open audio transcriptions. The next workaround is go to settings, tap on general settings, and updates, latest software update. If any update available, it will show here. Simply download and install iPhone latest software update. The next method to fix this issue is again go to settings of your iPhone, and here go to message settings, and here turn off iMessage, and thereafter reboot your iPhone. Simply shut down your iPhone, tap on settings, go to general, and tap on shutdown options, and move the slider to power off your iPhone. After some times, again turn on your iPhone, and check your audio transcription message is working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to settings, tap on message settings, and enable iMessage. The next workaround is again go to settings, tap on message settings, and sign out from your iMessages. Your iMessages is turned on, sign in. So simply go to your settings page, back, tap on settings, and sign out of your iMessages, iCloud. And if this method's not working, reset your iPhone settings. Go to settings, tap on general settings, and scroll down and transfer or reset iPhone. Choose reset and tap on reset network settings. After that, reboot your system and your audio